So once the hot water is boiling, you're gonna turn it off. Now you're gonna open the jello. This is the lime packet and this is the orange packet. So and put it in these two measuring cups for two different flavors.
Yeah, that's 1 cup. 1 cup of hot water. Make sure, guys, the hot water that you're gonna put it's really, really hot. It's like twice boiling, okay? Yes, just 1 cup. Usually, the instructions say put 1 cup hot water and 1 cup of cold water. But that's not what I did. Usually, I did it's 1 cup of hot water and just 3/4 cup of water. So the jello, it's not like watery. That's really, really good consistency, guys. If you just not to put what even 1 cup cold and hot. That's the secret to make this instant jello. So your jello, it's not that hard and it's not too soft. It's just exactly consistency. It's just 1 cup. Yeah. You need two different, if you use the jello of different flavor, make sure you use 2 cups.
Yep. And
After
now
you put 1 cup, now
we're
what are you
gonna
going to do?
put
You
the
need whisk. You
now,
open
guys.
your jello.
Yep. And we might
Use
need
your
some scissors for this. So I have the lime packet of jello and she has the orange.
Yeah, and also you just want to make sure you put right away after you put the hot water, or else it's gonna cool down the water and the jello is not gonna melt that good. You just want to make sure you whisk this very well, like in 2 minutes. You don't want to get any lumps, so keep whisking.
It's hot. And be careful, guys, because this is boiling hot water.
Yeah, that's a good thing when you put a really, really hot of water, because it melts all the powder of the jello, the instant jello. Yeah, this is what I did for my kids for their lunchbox for the school. Instead you buying already made, you can make it so easy. Just want to make sure you put a really, really cold off water. Okay, so your jello, it's turned to really good. I just gonna put only 3/4 cup. That's what I did. I less 1/4 cup. Based on instruction, you put 1 cup of hot water and 1 cup of cold water. But that's not what I did, because I don't want my jello, it's too soft or watery. And you don't want also to get too hard. And then keep stirring again. And then this is what I did, guys, so the kids can bring on the school for their lunch box. I put on
the mini cups.
disposable container.
Mini cups.
And then you put like this. And then you're not gonna put also this right away on the fridge. You have to rest until it cool it down. This is a little bit big of the cups. I have a small size, so you can also use the small size. But usually my kids, they like the big one. So they eat a lot, you know. And then also before we put on the fridge, we're gonna put the lid and we're gonna eat the next day. Actually, this jello is the way I did. It's really good. Sometimes you don't need to wait the next day. It's already turned
Solid.
Yeah, turned to solid. So this is good, guys.
Jello is cooled down. We're gonna put the lids on and then put it in the fridge. After he's been in the fridge, it's solid now and it's really jiggly. Solid. Tastes good. And guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and share. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from Best Friend Foods. Bye, guys.